Hello beautiful queens, welcome here. Good afternoon and welcome. I will officially welcome you to our 4 to 5 shade whitening class. You see those recipes I dropped for you yesterday? Don't even joke with them. Okay, that face cream oh god, that face cream recipe is a bestseller. If you want, no matter how tough, if you have a client that maybe you give out face cream and they complain this face cream doesn't whiten my face, okay, or you have a client or you personally things don't really whiten up your face, you see that face cream recipe I dropped yesterday, no matter how tough that face is, it's going to whiten it. And the good thing about that face cream, it helps with acne, it helps with spot on the face. That face cream is going to whiten up the face, make it super flawless. So don't even joke with that recipe, okay? That recipe is a banger. So I'm trying to make this short video is for our beginners who are just venturing into skincare, most who don't know how to mix cream properly. So I'm making this video in order to guide you, so you don't make mistakes, okay? So for the recipe now, I dropped two recipes yesterday. That's the extreme whitening face cream and the extreme whitening body lotion. That body lotion whitens the skin like no man's business. So don't even joke with these two products. These are products you can name whatever name you want. You can name either Arabian whitening, snow whitening, Russian whitening, no matter whatever name. The main thing about the products the recipes I dropped yesterday, these things will give you 4 to 5 shade. If you give this recipe to a dark skin person, it's going to give them 5 shade lighter skin. No joke. And with no discoloration, no blemishes, no green veins. That cream is the base lotion for the extreme whitening lotion I dropped yesterday is a Philippine lotion. So it doesn't have any hydroquinone or any chemical or any mercury. The active ingredients in that lotion is alpha arbutin. So that lotion with the combination of the stuffs I added, these are not copy and paste recipes. These are recipes I have worked with over the years, okay? These are recipes I'm 100% sure works 100%. The result is perfect. Like, you will have the best whitened skin with no discoloration, no knuckles, no dark spots, okay? So now we'll start with the extreme whitening face cream. If you are a beginner, you want to make this face cream, what you're supposed to do, okay? I will try